When the students receive a certificate, it motivates them to keep going, to keep learning, trying, and growing. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to generate certificates, explore a few sample formats, and show you how schools are using it. It is quick and very easy. Go to the classes page and click on certificate next to the class. For example, we are choosing Islamic Studies KG, but you can do that for any class. After clicking, you will see the certificates are ready to go. Scroll down if needed. Then click on Print to generate all the certificates instantly. Clean, professional, and ready to hand out. Do you want to customize? Click Print Blank Certificate. You will get a clean layout where you can add the academic year, class, student name, and signature. Exactly how your school prefers it. If you are not sure what it should look like, check out these two sample styles from real schools using the system. With this one, just print and go. It's fully done for you. Or you can use this style, printed from our system, then signed by teachers for that personal, heartfelt touch. It's the best of both worlds. Use our ready-to-go templates or make it your own. This feature was built around what your school actually needs. Celebrate with your students, save your time, and make every little achievement shine. See you guys in the next video.